Hello. Hello, good evening. Today I'm doing something different. I'm in the rooftop. Maybe I can say I'm now in the top of the world. Maybe in paradise. And here's very nice weather. It's autumn and it's very green, and the backside there are many trees and blue sky. The weather is really wonderful. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's very nice here. Now it's a little bit windy, and also a little bit some noise there. Because the local Indians, they have maybe some weddings, so their music, and so I have this wind bell is also singing, and so many birds are singing. Here many different kind of birds, because Trashijong is actually like in here so many different kind of birds come here from all over the place. So they will come. Some birds come in summer and then they've left in the winter. Some birds come in the winter and they will leave in the summer. Yes, so today I just came here to talk to you. So nothing much to say, but I will just talk a little bit about motivation. In Buddhism we call, in Tibetan calls it Nyingje. Nyingje. It's in English it is compassion. You translate in compassion, but I don't know it is fully translation is correct or not. But Nyingje it is mean compassion, bodhicitta mind. So this actually compassion means, it doesn't mean like you just talk some sweet words and show just your smiling face. This doesn't mean the compassion. Compassion means you really concern for others' well-being. You really care for others, not only for temporarily, but for in the long term. You just only care for others without selfishness. So that is we call compassion, Nyingje, or the bodhicitta mind. So it doesn't. So there we cannot say even like some teacher, your teacher, is if he's very strict. So for your studying, sometimes he can be scold you. Sometimes even he can beat you. But due to his caring you, due to his or her caring you, so some father, mother, they also scolding their kids if they misbehaving, to try to guide them, to try to become them better person. So this kind of we call compassion. So if you really help for others, if someone is doing something really mistakes, something misbehaving, you must try to stop his bad actions. Otherwise we just keep quiet and just keep smiling and let him do whatever. It is not good for himself in the next life, yeah. Also not good for others, yeah. So you must you must use some power to how to say, beat up or whatever you can do. So therefore in Vajrayana you see that some bodhisattva, they are form of wrathful form like Mahakala, because now is started Mahakala puja here. So Mahakala is full of compassion, wisdom. So because some evil people, they commit lots of negative actions, so then in next life they will go straight down to the hell. This kind of evil people. So this Mahakala, he will subdued, or how to say, subdued this evil due to his great compassion. So that means Mahakala is not smiling face. Mahakala looks very terrible, looks very scary, but actually it is because of his great bodhicitta mind, great compassion. Then he just pretending us, just pretending us angry. He's not angry. Mahakala is Buddha. He has no angry. He has no anger, but he just only pretending us angry to to stop the bad deeds or bad actions of the evil. So therefore in Buddhism, Mahayana Buddhism, we say most important part is the motivation. Not looking outside you looks very compassionate, good. If motivation is not good, only for selfishness, that we don't say it's good. If even you looks terrible, you looks some of scary, but if your motivation is really good for others, that we call the bodhicitta mind. So this is in the Mahayana way, Mahayana practice. So motivation is most important. So in forever, whatever we practicing Dharma, we always have to check our motivation. Motivation is very difficult to check and change, because it is just hiding behind it, and it will come in any time, something wrong motivation, even if you are pretending to doing some meditation or whatever. So they also can possibility to have bad motivation. You can do a meditation for your to showing others, or for your you become famous, you find some sponsor, like this thing, So even it looks like you are doing something great, but motivation, nobody sees your motivation. So it's very difficult. So always our motivation is cannot be pure. So we always have to keep checking our motivation, and then whatever we practice, we must dedicate all these merits for all other sentient beings. We should not be stingy. We should not be too much ego on it. You just give up all these whatever you have done, something very great merits. You must not pride about it. You just dedicate for others. That's it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. See you again.